Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Stripe on your computer or laptop in order to for development and for the process of the project of payment gateway. All what you need to do, open browser as first and go for this repository. I will leave the link in the description, and then guys you will just drop down and install the Stripe, this one which is 6486.zip. After that, so after that guys, you will find the folder like this. Just unzip it like using winner, or you can just try to extract all. You will have this one. All what you need to do, copy this logo, copy this icon, this application, go for the Z disk, then create new folder like using a new folder, then rename it as Stripe, and then copy paste the application here. So after that guys, go for the search, get the variable, edit system variable, then go for environment variable here, and then go for the path, go for edit, copy paste this link, make it to hit this one like this, press OK, OK, and once again OK, and here you can open CMD and type Stripe version. It's gonna be holding your Stripe version and so on. So you want to log in, you can just Stripe login, and then it's gonna be control here to get the link. So this is how to set up Stripe on your laptop or computer. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.